Welcome to SHIFTit's ProConnect platform. In this video, we'll guide you through our new exclusive Shift feature, designed to make your staffing process more efficient and reliable. To get started, log into your SHIFTit account and navigate to the Shift section. Click on Add Shift. Add in the location, license required, years experience requested, and date and time of the shift. Also, add in the total pay Shifterz will receive as well. Complete this section before you are ready to invite your preferred professional. Fill in the Shifterz details, including their name, email, and phone number. Ensure all information is accurate so you can invite your preferred professional to the shift with the click of a button. Here we are inviting a professional that we have worked with before, and we know they would be a perfect fit for this shift. This is the benefit of our exclusive Shift feature. Click on Invite to trigger the email to the professional. Be sure that the shift happens 5 days in the future so that you both have enough time for planning. This also allows for a 72-hour acceptance period in case the shifter is not available. This shift will then go to the larger SHIFTit Health marketplace to allow others to pick up the shift. Add any additional benefits for the shifter, such as meals or bonuses. Then, publish the shift below, which allows it to be fulfilled by your invited professional. Authorize the payment for the shift using your preferred payment method. Ensure the amount is correct. The shifter will receive an invitation via email and the mobile app. They can review the shift details here. Once the shifter confirms the invitation, they are all set to start the shift. It's that simple.